Like I said, like I keep mentioning, it's something a little different. Hit back, relax as I do stuff. If you find it boring, then it's boring. I don't know. You don't have to watch if you don't want to. Okay, so the carb is out. I went ahead and got me a carb rebuild kit for the CRF250R 2007. And what you're gonna need is just some Allen keys and some Phillips. There's certain things I'm gonna use, certain things I'm not. Let's put all the parts that we're gonna be replacing in here. Needle gasket, floats, pins. Well, that's that. I didn't use the whole kit. I just wanted to do the jets. They are all kind of gummed up. The bike sat for quite some time. Yeah, during the process, I had a bolt break on me off camera. It's shorter than the other ones, so I'm gonna cut this in half, sand off the end, and make it my own so I can at least get in there and tighten this up so it's not flopping all around and shite. Alright, is that right? But that's it. That's today's episode. Like I said, like I keep mentioning, it's something a little different. Hit back, relax as I do stuff. If you find it boring, then it's boring. I don't know. You don't have to watch if you don't want to. But anyway, that's it. And, yeah. I checked out the spark plug. That seems to be all clear. So I'll put the car back on and put it back together so we can get it ripping. As always, you guys enjoy the weekend. Peace.